You're
So
telling me so at night, if you really
yeah,
badly
at
need
night.
to
Yeah,
go to
at
the
night.
washroom,
Yeah,
and
you
like
have to.
2 o'clock, you have to go outside your house to go out to the washroom.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to go to outside.
Right. So hello, welcome to the session again. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Meeting quite after a long time, no? So how have you been since then? Since we had the last session,
Yeah, I think it's been 2 weeks. I think
almost 2 weeks. Yeah.
almost 2. Yeah, I was in Delhi and I was, mm, and I'm enjoying Delhi summer.
You're enjoying Delhi summer? That's very strange. There's nothing good about this summer. You should hate it.
So what can I say? Whether
Right.
whether I hate or love, I have to survive. Yeah.
That's true. It's like that thing that you have to live with it, so it's better you start loving it.
Right.
Can't help it.
Hmm.
Uh, but my
But
God.
daytime is very hot. Actually,
Yeah.
nowadays I'm doing a day shift in jobs. So it's my holiday today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So they
yeah,
finally were home. Nice.
yeah. So right now I am in my room. So it's too hot actually, too hot.
That's the problem with Delhi summers, the days are just unbearable. I mean, I think you might be liking Delhi summers earlier because of this only. You were having night shifts. So at night time, it's bearable. During the day, it's not bearable. Summer is too bad.
Yeah, right, right. But like in daytime, daytime, sup- in summer, mainly in summers, in daytime you can't sleep in summer. It's very hard actually. Like if you are like if you have AC, yeah, it's fine. But if you have cooler or fan, so they don't work actually.
They don't. They don't.
Yeah,
Actually, I know this from my personal experience right now as well. So, like, I'm not living in my apartment with my parents right now. This is a rented place we're living at because our house is getting renovated. So, it's taking too much time. And so, this place doesn't have an AC. It's just one cooler, and that too is kept outside. And we have fans that work all day. And these fans are absolutely useless
right,
because I mean the fan working or not working, it's the same thing literally. It doesn't affect at all.
right,
So
right, right.
yeah,
And sometimes
that's
fan
why.
gives hot. Yeah, yeah,
Go ahead.
yeah. And sometimes fan give hot air, not cool air,
Yeah, that's
due
true.
to
It happens.
weather.
Yeah, it's very common out here. See, it's a very Delhi problem. Everybody can relate to you right now.
Right, yeah.
But that's it. My God. That's why I think people like going to office in the summer season because offices are completely like centrally, air conditioned. So everyone's happy going to offices.
Right, right. Yeah, nowadays, yeah, in daytime it's very good to go to office.
Yeah.
In
Like
office,
at
some
least sitting in AC.
yeah, in office sometimes due to AC I shiver sometimes because AC is full on in our in our office. So, but
And then you
in
come back home and there is like completely opposite temperature.
like like in cab, yeah, in cab like they use AC, so there is no problem in cab. But yeah, but when I get out from cab, so that time I face.
Yeah, that's very problematic. But
Yeah.
Delhi summers are just very problematic in general. Nobody likes Delhi summers. That's the problem. But anyhow, anything you like about summers? Because you did mention that you are liking Delhi summers. So what is it that you like about it?
I think in summer I take a lot of water. I drink a lot of
Well,
so
that's a good thing.
that's a good thing. And apart from that, in summer I think like suppose I have to go somewhere, so I can like I can bring different kind of clothes with us. Like in some like in winter you can't take different kind of clothes because you have to wear layer of clothes
Layer
in
of
winter
clothes,
times.
yeah.
Yeah, in winter times.
Yeah.
But in summer, yeah, just pack your 5 to 6 t-shirt, 3 to 4 jeans, and go anywhere. wherever you want
Going.
to go, wherever you want to go.
That happens. That happens. Yeah, I
Hmm.
mean, in winters, it's just the same jacket, no matter what you're wearing inside, you will just end up wearing the same coat or jacket over the top. So
Yeah.
you don't have any fashion sense during winter. But yeah, in summers, you can try on different things. So that's fun.
Right. Right. So,
That's fun.
yeah. So, have you ever visited in Nainital?
Yeah, I have been to Nainital quite a long time ago because I was still in school at the time. But yeah, I've been there once. And it was a beautiful place, for sure. It is so much more quiet than Delhi, and the temperature is just, it's bearable. And I remember we went during like summers only. It was not winters. It was the
Mm-hmm.
time of around, I think, May. It was the month
Okay.
of May, and even in May, the temperature was not like it wasn't hot. It was not super cold that you have to wear like a lot of layers or something. You can wear just a simple full sleeve t-shirt or shirt, and that would be fine, but still the temperature was like cool. There were like cool winds going on, so it was like a very pleasant weather, a weather you feel like traveling in. So
Right.
that
Right.
was nice. Plus Nainital is beautiful, has a lot of like water bodies and all, so it's very beautiful to sit around and watch. It's very quiet. Now it's
Right.
not. Now there's a lot of tourists out there all the
Hmm.
time. So
It's too.
because of that,
Yeah. It's too crowded in summer. Like mainly in summer, because there are so
mainly
many tourists. Like they come. Like in Uttarakhand, there are several tourist places such as Nainital. Zim Corbett is also one of them. Have you ever visited Zim Corbett?
yeah, on the same trip when I went to Nainital. So Nainital was not our initial plan. We actually went to go to Jim Corbett, but
Mm-hmm.
then we ended up staying in Nainital. So we were like, when now that we have arrived here, let's go to Nainital as well. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why. So it was nice. It was a nice trip. But yeah, I did. I remember we like roamed around in Jim Corbett for a long time, but I did not spot any animal. I was very
Okay,
sad.
you didn't spot any animal.
Nope. I was like, what is this park? It's famous for animals. Why is there not even one single animal over here?
Yeah,
So yeah, quite
mhm.
sad.
Actually, people go to park for see the animal, but in Uttarakhand, if you live in a hilly place, in a hilly area, so you can easily see animals like like I have seen many animals, like wild
Have you
animals.
come across
I'm talking about wild animals.
have you come across like a tiger or a jaguar or something?
Yeah, once time, uh, tiger. No tiger because tiger I think tiger not found in our hilly areas. They mostly found in plains area, not in hilly area. Tigers, but
Okay.
yeah, jaguar. I would say jaguar.
They are scary. They're like really big
Yeah.
animals. There's like,
Mm,
oh, this cheetah out there. My God, that's scary. Where were you living? How were you living there? It's so scary. So,
yeah,
I don't know.
yeah. But actually, we have been living our villages since our childhood days. So
Hmm.
those things are very common for us.
That's true. Yeah. One of my friends is from Joshimath.
Hmm.
So he was also telling me that he has come across like a lot of animals, especially when they go a little bit uphill from Joshimath to
Right.
like sometimes to collect flowers and all for pujas and all. So
Hmm.
when they go for that, it's very common to see like a lot of wild animals in caves and all. And I was like, that is such a scary life.
Yeah, but those things are very common. Those things are very common for them who are like who have been living.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. That makes sense. I mean, it's for you. It's like being a part of the nature. No, for any city person, it's like, oh my god, that's so because we've never seen it. We've
Right.
never like come across something like that. So we think of it as very weird. But that is like that was a daily part of your life, I would say. So you know all those intricacies.
Mm.
Nice.
And
So
yeah. Hmm.
go ahead.
And yeah, and the second thing is that like in cities like we have bathroom in our rooms. We have toilets in our rooms, not outside.
Yeah.
But yeah, but in villages, like we made our bathrooms or toilet, but in outside, not inside the room. Like they are almost like some like 30 or 40 meter far from our home or 30 meter far from home. So it's very hard. It's very hard. Like if you have to go about 1 a.m. or 12 p.m.,
Yeah,
you have to go outside.
you're
So
telling me so at night if you really
yeah,
badly
at
need
night.
to
Yeah,
go to
at
the
night.
washroom
Yeah,
and
you
like
have to.
2 o'clock you have to go outside your house to go out to the washroom?
Yes, yes, yes. You have to go to outside.
Oh God, that is so
At
scary.
it's so scary actually. Sometimes I really, really. Sometimes I feel very scary. I also feel very scary sometimes.
Dude, I'm scared to use my washroom, which is like inside the house at night, right? Because nights are scary. So, like, sometimes there's like weird sound. I get scared. I literally just run back to my room and I don't use the washroom, which is literally like inside my house, inside my room. And you're telling me you have to like leave your house, go to this washroom where there is probably no light. So, you have to carry like phone or something with you
Yeah, like yeah, I have to carry my phone. Like light is there, like but
at the
not between.
washroom.
Yeah,
So,
at the
not
washroom.
for the distance.
Yeah, not for the distance. Yeah, right, right.
That is so scary. Did you get scared like any such time? Did you hear like a weird sound or something and got scared?
Yeah, actually, we also are humans. So,
You guys are
so
not. You guys are too brave. You guys are really brave.
yeah, but sometimes like yeah, but sometimes whenever I listen any weird sound, so I ran away from there. Really, I don't know. Yeah, or suppose I go too fast as much as I can, and I don't look back that time. I don't look back.
Oh my god. So do you like wake up someone else at night to go with you because you don't feel like going
No,
alone because
no,
you're
no, no,
scared?
no, no. No. If I have to go, so I go alone.
I would never go alone. I would literally like wake up two, three friends from other houses to come with me
And
because I'm that.
okay, and for example, if you are living alone, then
Then well, I don't have a choice. I would probably wait till the morning. I'll be like, you know what, this is not that important. I'm gonna wait till morning because see in Hindi there's a simple statement where we say Jaan hai to jahan hai, right? So follow
but
that. I'm gonna stay up till all night, go in the
okay,
morning.
okay, and okay, if you will, yeah, and if you will wait till morning, so so you can't sleep at night.
Yeah, that's fair.
Then you will
This
have to
is
wake up
the
all night.
this is too difficult, yeah. This is I don't this is not nice. I don't like God, please just put the washroom inside the house. Why is it not inside the house? Is there a logic behind it? Or like
I
it's like those old houses have been built in such a manner so it's
Right, right, yeah,
constantly like
like yeah. I'm talking about old houses, like those old houses have built earlier. So that time there was no washroom. But yeah, nowadays those people who are building their new houses,
mm,
yeah, so they are building washroom inside the houses, not outside the houses.
thank God.
Now, now people are changing their mindset.
Fair enough. Yeah, because I remember earlier times this used to happen where they said, you know, they wouldn't keep the washroom inside the house. I remember my mother also told me, like, she was not from like Uttarakhand, she used to live in UP only, but in her like really old house also. Now they have reconstructed it, but the older house was like that the main house was in the front, and then, like, as you said, you know, 40-50 meter away, the washrooms were built at the back
Yes.
and there were like washrooms in line, like 6, 7 washrooms in line for the whole house. And I was
Hmm.
like, wow. And she was she used to always tell me that if she has to go somewhere like to the washroom at night, she would wake her cousins up and then go with them. I was like, yeah, makes sense because she is from the time where there was no electricity also, like very limited electricity
Right.
was it. So you have to carry your own lantern with you. Phones were also not there.
Yeah, yeah.
It was
That
so scary.
yeah, that time there was no phone.
Thankfully now there is electricity at least. But
Hmm.
fair enough. But God, this is very scary. Do you tell this to your city friends also? Do they get surprised like me?
Yeah, yeah. Whenever I tell them like, yeah, if you come to Uttarakhand, like you don't have such kind of brave. Like
Yeah.
we have brave. Like you can't. Even I said to them like, if you come in Uttarakhand, even you can't go outside. You can't go outside because it's too dark. because we here, yeah, here in Delhi, we are living in Delhi, so here are, like, in nights there is no darkness, there is no darkness in city life. But whenever you visit any part of Uttarakhand, like, I'm especially I'm talking about hilly areas, so they are too dark, too much dark. Even you can't see anyone. You can't see anyone. Someone is
Scary.
coming from, someone is coming from to
Oh my god.
you.
And it starts to get like dark after like right after the sun sets, like around 5:30. This is what I've observed. In any hilly area, it starts to get dark after 5:30. So it's like anything you want to do it before 5 o'clock. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. In summer, like, yeah, like in summer at 7 p.m. It's like it go dark after 7 p.m. Like
Mhm.
7 to 7:30 p.m. But yeah, but in winter times after 5 or 5:30. Like when I was in my village, I'm talking about winter season. So that time we used to take our dinner at 7 p.m.
Hmm.
At 7 p.m.
Completely opposite to city life. We are having dinner at 10:30.
10:30. Yeah, in Delhi nowadays we are
It's
also taking dinner at 10:30 or sometime 11. Sometime
yeah,
I make my dinner around 12.
nice.
Yeah,
Welcome to city life. We never sleep. We're all sleepless people here. Okay, fair enough. Right, before the session ends, I'll quickly give you feedback because we couldn't discuss it last time also. We kept on talking.
yeah.
Yeah, as for feedback, it's your speech is getting, I think, better because last time you were making mistakes. This time you didn't make any grammar mistakes. So that's a very good improvement. The only two places where you made grammar mistakes was where you said that I was scary. I was scary is incorrect. We say scared, right? S
Okay,
C A
scared.
R yeah, ARED. Scared. I was scared, not scary. Scary is adjective, right? So we are using a verb here.
Okay,
And um, after it goes 7 p.m., no, after it gets to be 7 p.m. So we use the word get, not go, right?
okay. After it gets.
Hmm. So after
Okay.
it gets dark or after it gets to be 7, like we say it like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Apart from that, you're not making, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fair.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, right. All right. Do you have any doubts that you want to ask
No, no,
before
ma'am.
we?
No doubt. No doubt.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Then I'll close the session here, and we'll meet somewhere in the next week or something whenever we meet, and we'll
Yeah, yeah.
discuss a little bit more about your life in Uttarakhand because it's very interesting.
Sure, sure, ma'am. Sure.
All right. Okay. All right. And you need not call me ma'am. You can call me Tanushka.
Okay, Tanishka.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye. I'll see you again.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.